Can you help me put my shoe on? I have to do it? Here, look. You go like that. Slide your foot in. Right between the big and second toe. Isn't that cool?
Ooh.
Try putting it on.
You want a demonstration again?
What about this one? Try putting it on. Try putting it on. Try putting it on. You do it. Okay, just push. It's almost on. How do I do it?
So close, buddy. Oh, that's the other way. That's the other way. Yeah, not in the mouth. No, yucko, not in the mouth.
You don't want that in your mouth. No, no.
No,
Yeah.
no.